All right. I'm be ha. I'm makwaba. I'm makwaba TV so. And then ya wada is the 5th September 2019. You go ya pem ko yin man. Me show. Oh sorry, no fast that man me fast that man. Say koda say ufu. Sorry say at for the na say as that en Kennedy konkro no. Oye bi nso man. E da na sie pa. Na no entertainment via so no. E ne be bruta. Yenya special guest bi o ha na me show. Answer na me call in channel. Me money di answer. Answer my calling channel. We're a gospel musician. Or Bible chair, how you gospel musician. No, say they say it's me a control of facilities, me leading far. Quite by nice, it's me fast so near her. Say all base so. The music industry, yeah, a more than Jindy. Or by telling why, or by paying no Jahako, and I wonder about so then you know ever any Juma and check ever corner. Say so, manager, and our manager will be at the same. And I gospel musician, the brain, or managing just a sebi, and another dancer. Ebakoma ameno ho ana gospel musician yi ho na watimi achirim ame hu de ekọ na ebetena se ya eye djuma ku nan ene boye chidom ame de bremo eye Okoba and Power Company Limited se basa dance hu no mapa dia na ze mfamfo ma fichiri ko me ba be ya ma kama pa de opebia no ku maso ene ko jibi kama pa o mo se bese sidan no nso asane ama edan no musima obetuma ma lifetime warranty na ze o mo no musuro mutirim to musuro duabo osima o mfa lifetime warranty bi so sa afebo aje se wa ompe no obuagu no ozezi foforo na ze hu Okoba and Power Company Limited no me yesade no sa so na pipek enua ho no ma ben na wo pe na adua ben na wo pe edade wudwuma wonya bi brabe hu pipek fo na ba jimia pa obeko temus ye yeso fe obaka se na de na de enua efiri sapano na eba efiri ba bi pa na eba otade a ya na nya ne ebia ne bonu na ne papa no ebe hu pipek na ba jibi ego fara singers ebusia omusu djuma ko bia omo bonwom pa na enyom to de na ezemfamfo ma fichi kra misro se name ceremony bi se be ye bi djuma de bi awudi bia to safre ego fara singers omusu entimi mase emeye de opema kama pa wo de se obi bi na film na bia opo bi amana bonwom mama 24 hours and crown na maya no aso betena se ahye mama bi ade krona pese o ye ni krona to na pese wodi hu djuma no obeye eno so ama kama pa bella kwa ensu papa ni okodwa manso a ise ye jai pure water no bella kwa ene kan bi so mo amoto nsu e wo kwa no pe bella kwa no bi enso no kama pa na eno ene betime twitwa jo so na pa butu anyumre butu awia no so no wo bi mo ye hisa no butu bi bia nso be dey be kama pa enso e dey ama na me ne mi di dwumadi ho chia me din e dey kwabna pia wo kire obetima frɛ me kwa pia ententem yemre ninti be di ka buagum kakra yemre ninti ye beko ma no show na ma Okoba TV so
ya menia
ye da say ye fro ye to yensa fro wan twa no am from na wa baba Okoba TV ni ahefo ye da wase
me da se bebre so ni akwanya mo de ama me ewie
na obafia meka se obafia de meka se udinu udi bi ebi akekakra na se obafia na ngasa no nya free
obafia ne de ne fe na
afia de
afia kokko
yeah, okay na we kokko na free so
ne de shaja kan kakra
see there you usually the obafia
stage name
okay stage name obafia me show you djumadi enzo Facebook YouTube odi o message be ba screen na say na message twam no ba ko na fa o messages bra me pam no enzo yebetima kan ma kama pa ma ho say ebi ma join na asha say the messages no enzo e ba wa hanum say me pam ye be kan enzo ma kama pa ye ka so obafia hwan ne obafia abaya bia na ma ne bia ye bre mu yakopon ena ma ye be pie ha no okay ti be nyini su won kra ha no e be call GHS SS and University so e wa ha no okay
I'm worried yes
mu nyankopɔn ato ne nsa afrɛ no ya na ɔma ne so kakra ma me nyankopɔn ato ne nsa afrɛ no na sɛ ɔmɛbɔ nnwomman mepɛ sɛ mehu like ɛyɛ nyame na ato ne nsa afrɛ wɔ na sɛ like waa na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ na kwan bɛɛ so na nyankopɔn fa so to ne nsa afrɛ
amen nyame na ato ne pen bebree tie nkɔfɔ interviews ayɛ ne yɛtete sɛ oh na me go school me abɔfra na me toto nnwom wɔ asɔre ne deɛ patwa me deɛ nte sa
okay
in fact me ma me Methodist ni mapa yɛkɔ asɔre a oh yɛgyinagyina abɔnten a so wokɔ Agri Memorial wobɛte eti na enya dia am ne de me hu wura asɔre mu gidigidi bio na bebree na me kai sɛ wo me kɔ Legon
okay
eti 4th year no bibisa awade bibi ɔyɛ maame na so ɔyɛ maame nko adia ne mɛden me de me hu besi wa mo
okay
nti free satan na ye wi school no ba ye na fe o se ye fi ase bɔ mpa ye ne ade ti me mpa ye ne mu na ya ma benya me yie no no fi ase so oda ne ho adi a kyerɛ me
okay
na nyom no so me kyerɛ bi but na me kyerɛ baako ne bi baako
no kana ya hwefo hu ne baako ne de ahi bia okoba de ya hwefo do mo pe challenge
na dwe ni pese me no okay eti bibi sa no afei na me oho na nyom ba makoma mu na ma record na ma kyerɛ ne ade afei mpaibɔ no mu yɛ dere no na fi ɔda ɛhɔ na me hunu sɛ wedi na ɔda anyotofo adi kyerɛ me enkanka yɛ maame ɔhema mesi me fancy
ɔhema mesi
ya maame ne deɛ ne kora sɛ ɛwade pɛ sɛ ɔka bibi fa me ngom to ho a ɔhema mesi
okay
na etoda ko maame ne kora ti me bɛto nyom kora kyerɛ me ne ade ada senti me hu saa ne ama no na fe ma benya me susu no yie no anya me da ho abehu samaso bi na bia mateno bia emba 4 so subsequent weeks and days so no na me dey polishing nyom no kama and afi ye copy me papa na ase e wo kama South Church Family Church Apostle Benjamin Doku
okay
no so atete yan ti no atoto nyom o kwa ani mo ane and sorry kakra but se bi mu se ne bi mo to nyom abosha bo acha no
okay
me dey na dey antesa o se you can say task master no owura no ofre bi mu no nsia ofre bi mu nom dumenu ofre bi mu so nom yansa no nsia enyumre so sa ofre bi nti ye mu bi no ye kona na hunu say braha my friend
wow so far so good my actress ne artist interviews be pray now if I'm not exaggerating now like I say obefia na the only person what kyerɛ me kwanya nyankopɔn fa so efre wa ase mahu ba bia o free ba like mahu say real also be ba say obesi ma kyerɛ on say kama bi say ofre kwan ba ko say the number kra but what kyerɛ mama who say like o free baby ba next baby free ba na real say nyankopɔn na say na o free ba mpa wow that's impressive manyaje passing ni wo me show you so na what started ye
me fear say no and me ka ko free 2010 and I mean my first recording
2010
oh my goodness
wow 9 years
yeah first recording like so usu in social media me nam I said ko baby na me share no next me you mo na go come here call the studio like I said I me kaya na me it's from that time you know I'm a church yeah then I'm a coco you know it is that my but many great like some commercially
2017
yeah
necessary since 2010 ne ban ni je na wo mbatena nchela nya wo say oba be ya nkasa 2017 year na say no
na me see that be we dey no na bro so e do so do that dem ma church onyu ma sham pass
okay
okay I mean Mame famra.
Okay.
Tino Fia Senaja. Kakra Mishia, my current sound engineer, DDT.
Okay.
Thompson.
Okay.
Sweet poison.
Okay.
And I be baby, and I see your power in Pia Bonting. Now, my cashier Badinium reception has been very massive.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, 2017, I can say, so far, when you say,
so far, no, you're 8.
Number 8. Wow. Now, I shoot a video.
Video no when yeah back then and you can see baby and some any video director any didn't come up.
Okay.
Any many video for this particular on your mensa team.
Okay. Wow. Next year, when your mensa team video no so any. See there because the premium and I said there was to see any on your mensa team. Mr. Neko Penum be and so here. Na answer na hefa na like omenya bia answer like bia no bi pe enyum na tie
sure
I was out
yeah the create YouTube channel no bia I slides no yeah and na ebe mo so omo yes sing along ma upload wo
okay
ebi o Google links in the doors be brave and then you can also follow me on my page Obafia yeah on Facebook ubenya updates be brave
okay na say Obafia enso akire mu kakra na me se me bisa wo tisi a wo de onyamensa tie be how was the production like kwan ben so na ultimi hye unya studio ko record ye na bibia ti me kama ni nyum na baba tisa ye obo sound engineer na wo kase hia no like onu wa how sikase mu ne even producer ankasa o manager no like Janet is saying
okay for now yeah let me say this quick one.
Okay.
Mini producer, like as in a executive producer, mini be me and me and Kakaka. Okay. The sound engineer no your theaterful. What boy me be there's been times I'm recording crowd. My name is Kabu like my first campaign call.
Oh, okay.
Because see me see anything you may bend down so there. Yempe obi mobile live instrument no. Na ya my yana me de call. So no party I know she don't charge me bebree me nim say fair bebe no obey me den dia and until any sikasam mu de so wa wonim and anyum promotion
okay
and work say my manager no
manager no like
wo ha manager
no kwan be ankasa so kra na fa so share manager no yen manager
side dey why madam for 3 years.
Yes, I started 2017 na
yeah tight pa yeah no on hamisa on no dey be o kana zemze nyame no ye na ade na o dey fire so o dey afra ntino o yo tiase
yes we manager and your manager like and gospel musician abeya I just said we want to dance and only one form baby bia musa
oh da
yempese obekache okoba hefo say Obafia say o me da me manager dey we real oni ma anye bibia sa onze china bi na ntawantawa koba say me manager say say o ba onze
esiba prank anyom no jama kam be push am ade akamija anyom ne ma no ai david
na your friend is younger say
me manager friend edike
yeah okay o manager o friend artist
for now the menena me tell so we were baby no one can chira media
no I don't need manager na
me no but
at least some more regular goes nti say
me nyam hu say oye obidie or know your type or you're passionate about the music industry so who say o kukuru bibia no aso no I can possibly say bia we share nkofo I say all boy mukakra but officially me no me yeju
okay yes Mr. Dike bia wo bia no e da was say waso Obafia se na kakra so ma nyame nsati anase nyame ahobamba odi aso no se wo mba mepie abontin ma Ghana enzo nya so mfaso no so obo na kakra bia wo bia no e da was san so achia wo Kobe so na to aso na me so wo edumadi enso Facebook abe like na wa share me kama pass as no be to subscribe to YouTube OKU OBA TV okoba TV na bibia so ayeka makama pa ma no se dem dey ka ken ye ne oba afia yes gospel musician ene ne ye ne di mponi mpo a wo kire wo special na no de aba bonten no show so onyanti akopa bi ne tie na se onyame nsatia onyame
of God
nsatia ne English na dey
the finger of God
the finger of God onyame nsatia yengrum kakra yengrum onyame nsatia no kakra how na de na otimi ya benya se menyuma me betu ya na me fa onyame nsatia so like chiremu kakra kwa be so no wada na okonya sa na se na wo
asa media asemu o say Yakopon Bible say nyame onam da esu na prepi yo eden okasa kire ne ma in fact ni how to work na won so da ya enye nti me am a dreamer when I met Ababre and I saw this and I saw this and one of those times na dia makwada na masubiye na minyaye wow so now I say me call onyame satia wow na yes answer chini me call chiro ni nyame asemu neja me sheshe ya hu se some na me receive any inspiration na me nyame and nyame asem ya ba ko ana ti me de tutu ho ana chese afa
nese enye oha obi obabi onya inspiration like obo simbi a tool no ba odi bibia ansa anye
me dey say me social dem akobebre mu personally I am a person and I may say and I may fast and I may say as papa mo boni mo yen na yen fast da e ma no what you say the woman nyina ne say Yakopon ono no ji oche ni mi fi na mani mu
okay
ti bebrede ma femu fa bebrede dim pa enti me kra no se me nka bi nhemu a me sure se bia sa na jo no kra me kosun na me su na me de dai
oh okay
ana bia konkon ya dai e bae e be ma me inconscience na me ti kra be ma me e Kenya manda ya because normally so no me nim sentia and am say bia wa fra me nyum to munti na bibia obeka bibia kire me e fa nyum enyum mete nyum no okay nti mete nyum na ya me hu nsenchen na wie den bio what you say Bible say ma ye adwin free so say social na ye komu no ye nua no wo wiase afa na nyina so nam sade nti senya me abecheche ora ene sansam no kra so kro na betimi achechi obi so a okosa te bia ni mu bi ewe eno titru potinti na ya bebrebe de nyom na ba bonten na ebi o meka sheba bia ni monyam calls messages WhatsApp messages aminya oh na ma yes sad so unsem unyom ni munsem no oh misani mama manyo say da ba ya be na abonyum ma kama kuma sa na mama na pompa ya mama enu kura mama awechiche ene mama ho ho a
okay
so what you say
okay
intino sanity
fantastic oh now we can be say ahocheli wa fam pi like we start enyum to ankasa no o chine baby sa no wa fam
enyum to ile say da ma wa yeska wo obi amam me yes kapo
Cover TV I have one say or started free number one
sika
or started music igi
me how to see
one sika
the pesca Mrs. Kadia you remember bebre anyun bebre o da on pesca dia pia ba bonten
okay
I say any part
okay interesting
so what you say I say pia yeska to motion ukohin ufaha also yi bibi to what you say e pesca correction to video
Inti like me person we fair man for sika nkwa na sisi ane dia wo hia no for music career
oh anya no nkwa for now no
na we ka sisi awo ni genti we dia wo ade wo hia na sika because minim say e bia like say wo manager na say bia wo hia sika na sika wo at least we hia like emwa kakra se ne bia e bia obi kra ba bi no so to nyom e bia o no kaboma ebisi so ana no de
no collaboration
na bibisa like collaboration na bia mo be different be cry bia we be ka se wo stage bi ana e bia bibi ko so na o hia wo stage o pese o ba fia oba na also e bia o be prove me hu like your doors are always open
Yeah, my doors are always open
Okay.
for programs. The Pia Boa brand, me very, very open to like it.
Okay, next, share Okobe TV, next, Obefia, gospel musician. I mean, insert me say, so far I was starting in music career, and they about what 18 in a hand for NCSika. Yes, Okoba for the Michudi. You say, after this program, you basically also, if you must say, Bana, if you know, and so about not yet to what started and you say like 2010 at what did that crisis yeah built 2019 now started 2017 as a serious and a womb and you know and how the bay with you and I say oh you know for the away name more you as a part time
and you know first of all a ministry
okay
and you can be so no say yeah nam here one it's got to go on but aside the music in the Miami woman my business kakra me
okay
yeah you know as and when in fact the music is my biggest priority yeah as and when the course the trend and I
say what do you want about crochet to me no I read about what
I say me yes the pushing me
okay
so what you're saying oh yeah and you now only be being come on and any
okay
so what you're saying
okay
but then as time goes on no na say yankopon e pe say you full timer and any better any be
I see. Okay, we see. Obefia ne, e na bo mpunu na e be se me twa me ho ba na onyame nsatia na ni wode ba wonte no fitimi e be yi acapella kakra me hu se so onyame nsatia na yampa se ya tie nwumi agintre ha e wo Ghana e wonne boy ananya ono a obe ma ya acapella kakra bi aire so 1 minute na ya he se wonne boy ampa ananya ono a wonne boy ya nsem ni e be je chire west by west kama ho Mesdames, moi, si à me il y a trois jours comme pas. Yensam Okwaba, Ensama Okoba TV, so Miss Row, so you may oh Facebook, I bet like it, no one share my. I'm will be on Zonia Behe, you may kiss here at all from Mene and Punum live with Obefia, Abrepan, Yan, as it may be beyond son of Befia, as free and chain, and so at me free, come pa. Now, I said, I can with Marco subscribe oh YouTube, OKUOBA TV, Okoba TV, and so oh YouTube. Obefia beti mafunu no ba bia wonyame nsatia ana obefia eye OBAA no watintemu EFIA me pa cho se sa
me pa cho
na se obefulu no ba bia so onyom no so ko ne ko pebi ne ti na nyom no nya nti bia na nye se bia me ha me no nya uni Ghana so onyom na je no ntere ha pa obefia wonyame nsatia no e pese wo fa chiri kakama e wi acapella be 1 minute me say so onyom na e wa wo dia ananya wa odi ana Ghana na nkasa nsisi obi bonyuma 30 minutes yesi o anyumi wa wiane ade but me nyamensa tie mitie no mo je eye odi abenu e be se o ya capella kakra na yahefo ehu se anyum na wa odi
okay se bia wo mono metu anamo kansa moni bia enya wo ho pone kura ne wade be yo ho nsentrene amani wenye na hu aswate se wedi onyamezatiano na ya nwanwe chimei obabeyo amani wenye na hu aswate se wedi onyamezatiano na ya nwanwe chimei tibia umono metu na moboni kansa moni bia enya hu boni kura ne wade be yo hu senchene amani wanyina uno waso tse wedi onyamezatiano na ya nwanwe chime oba be yo amani wanyina uno waso tse Radio Yamazatiano, Naya one way to me cross Nini. Onyaminimu. Oh, Debia. Akaka Krebi. Now Onyamia Watum. Here are the Bayon Century. I'm anyone you know who was what to say. Radio Yamazatiano. Naya one way to me. Ampara. Minyamini oh debia akaka krebi na unyamia ye watum oba beyo ameni wenyina wono asatsa we di unyamesatiano na ya wanwe chime
we nyamesatiano na ya wanwe jume anyum no be free ba ne mu du so foro nyum ni yiko akira wan ha no ma no ma bia wo ye no betimi agyae anyum no timi se be free ba no e mu du yi pa e free nyam mu na nyum no e ba make kra ya wo na ha mama ti no mi so se wo nyanya anyum no bi ntie ya o che onyame nsatia kone kope bi ensu tie kama pa sisi a obafia
odo
anyum like inspiration umpa na sisi a Ghana music industry why pa na like nyane sisi a pese when collaboration ko ready and can be oh so side
wow medical ka say obia ye good what you say obia ye good but obia me na am na be anyum sisi a anya sopo my goddess ananyona supukwa koye Mr. Spirit Man
okay
Spirit Man supuku na minyana
Joshua Nyamie yeah one ka Joshua Nyamie na supuku
onu so ka Joshua
one eka because the last time me na me hu Joshua kra na nyame na me kushia no asoli wo Golden Gate na o ma me hu the feno Joshua Nyamie na okoye be me na Joshua and supuku kwa na pese wonya because you ma be bia
e ma be me asokra me nipa me look up to Ohima
Messi what the kaka
me so say easy but as time goes on nyame be Ohima say obia but for now no omutu no wutu
okay Ohima Messi Ernesto Poku de obafia aye krado nti Ohima Messi ompanifu ibiti Ernesto Poku ompanifu ibiti am sure obafia aye krado abrebia opese one ne hia enso aye collaboration ya me dos enso abie da ha otwen enso ewo ho no kama pa na sisi me pese me hu like once I work say apart from me will be big cryer like him for pana we are next 5 years ya hear obafia
next year
yes
na adumna buso nyame aje kra ma bro so kra ish me there I believe say Bible say you cannot subdue a man or in his cause onipa onam ne kwaso no onam shebre kwaso no yen kan nhye amana David esre so ye ekum sisire ne jaka ne nasefo no obi ampo ni ho bebo nsema ma no nyame siesie yensi akasa nti se wayi yen pie se ya anya wodi ti betem no asanso atwen kwehye David yekoye ne tin
so award ben apese uje in the next 5 years
award da me depa ya ma wo pa be se nyum no be ka obi akoma na ayo mo ho nsenkyene na mo masesa na nso so no se enipa eni so what you say ebe kenya osuro nso ma omo reward nti no de bebe bia so meso but me see award
wow me ochim kakra ka ho se award apese wonya ne se enwum ne ba obi betie na wonya ho adwen sachira eno na ya award me hu se eno ye like I say nyame mu je na eba
award
any on the award no
the mechanism when heaven is pleased with what your assignment I don't know where now he will cause men to honor you what you say nipa sorry keke enka say me be ma we award what you say e osro any movie the heart of men to do it What you say? So you should come. Say I'm not sure any best one na nipa kura be di eni dodo.
Wow. Messages no and so Asha say about Hanagem or say I'm watching you live from East Legon. Befia, God bless you and so honor bright yeah boy and so say very motivative. Thank you Okobe TV. Thank you Mami Efia. Thank you Bella Kwanese Odibi and so as your sponsors and so and so on come pa. Now all starting you your music industry man. A more than name of.
I said a moon ya for sa. On said the California those times no radio stations no and also be answer. What I say those times how you with me so now wa mouse kabi now or the wafa and your mono on distribution we need one some net home we need one some what I say but the same bibia come in Gina what is so na medical care bia obefa bia yes kabra bia obefa say when is car you can't really do much with your gifts I'm telling you. I see now baby adrian aba we say we entertain your listeners kakra. Okay.
If I see a gospel musician or more your music industry say no more like more perform well yes yet see if you more no dey back out come on.
Yes, I see if you more no dey back out come on. Like
or no dey ban. Gospel musician ya want to see our current Ghana. I want to say like say no me edo mo nyum ne buy do ha nyumbo I say akwa men kan no answer me kra men kan. What the wa say wutie what yeah mo nyum mo bo no see current. Okay nyum ni bi ana nyum na ye.
No e bi ye. Bebre ye.
E bi nje bi na ye no.
Oh, that did that to me boku this. I also say obi kan nyum bi.
See Ernesto Poku. What's it Ernesto Poku no nya na no be collaboration. Yeah. Ernesto Poku abonyu na
Ernesto Poku ne nyum like nyum bi am pesa me de ba out. What you say? So wo hwe ni pa no na wo hwe ni input obetimi de aba nyum na ntina me for now at the moment nyum am pesa me ye ho adwuma no me nya na so so anka me pe. No, dey all kasa for collaboration. I don't just say Ernesto nko ana ye. What you say? Okay. You mo so mo ye
and you would you say ono ne nyum no na meka say anase me bisa say enwum na wo say ebi ye binya na me
say binyum say bebreye
ene me na me share o bebreye enti gambe say ka bebreye na ye no ka ebia shatawale ba me ka gospel no me de media na be show ebia Stone Boy so no mo say yeah Stone Boy mo say like onwum na obo no ko ba hefo nyina ebia no wo kra mfuru no so no ono za ko tabi kakra
question kura asesa manje guy you say be we say I dey music industry and you know mo de ba
yeah gospel no mo mi sisi ano and you know mo de ba na wo hwa nyankopon na afro man na say
hey ase me na o kan say o say nyame afro na me dey aka say nyame afro no hwa dey
on say nyame afro even kakra we no ha every form say yeah it's true I mean afro but any on say
the woman say yeah, will be more honor. Maybe I can say me body na meet me body. What I say then no say be more the woman say be more honor say where the yashman and kasa. And you will be so honor if you are no only moto. No one said that near Christo near Yasachano. I'm sure that there are two there is a like and so me no da and you gospel no mo omo to e di aye ministry ankasa no mo so a ono so onim owo anyum to achede a onim onyum to onim Christopher onyum to no so to bi what you say tino hosa
I see okay na say a gospel musician and mu dey bi mu dey me kra meka ebi mom nyum enso kama oba fia ne ntimi nka ebi mom so de ana wadene pa enso ho na epese biso onse na wuchi mu se na say nyum bi ba wo even if you say nyum bi anyamba e bia animani ye like Because I'm in the boom and I know that I will mean just what in your out. Now, so to an hour feel as a gospel musician. Now, what you be? Now, say, and you know, and you made Nico as a gospel musician about what you feel is it.
Bible say we should prove ourselves worthy of the call. What I say? I thought that put here and you be sending a now to me say. You can all be wasting of what time or wasting of fashion. What I say, I never come in person may know. Me the day, me a life, ya my chef washing me. Now, go find you be by ya. No, so I'm just making sure, say, at least they may never out. No, what's here, open your move for so.
I say, Ghana, and Cassani was here. Obi because obi a okwan fa so e de ba fam e say ade ameka say mene okoba hwefo nyina ne senki be ho ba fia ka bo ba fia dia kaka na haje ko bia beti kwan ben so na wo be fa ama wo so yate won kasa say de wo bo obi din ti say ne stopoku ya bo ne tin menya hwe say obi wo meka say e bia e tie so be bo ne stopoku dia o hunu enso Ghana ene no pa obi a wo on say ye ba ye hip hop life mi a obi a wo kwan fa so ye and you'll be very braggy, you'll be anya beef or you know, obey their bad film.
Medium. The number one, they be underlying factor when they say ministry. And I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm just seeking to complete my race. Until I made a man, but a baby wanting a campaign, men and this one. I'm not in a rush. But you see, I didn't mean some woman on. Because sometimes if someone, am I ready to carry what God is about to release on me? What you are saying? I mean to me somehow no to a jam.
Okay.
It's me say me dear men your money. I saw a buffalo. Any yaman come and a promote to your money. Now, dear, as I say, you pass your work, you pass them. I can't. I want me and make quite so dear.
I see. Auntie, obey you be so. And you mean the gospel musician, dear. Like say, like me, to be frank, more than Ghana, gospel musician, like gospel career. But I say, oh, sorry, sort of gospel, like more than. And you go about Jin be make us say, oh, help like na life. People who be basabi, na any or their hits. Say, was me trimming, like, me understand it, pana. I have 4 Michelle. If I say a dying home by night, you call her about a fear, and you must be Abiana make a say, all canon, and now young will be and shade. And who said before that team, it's no more Mohammedan, be a set, and so on a dying hobber. Now, so when you be a come up by bar, you better try and accommodate.
famre na so semre na dochi wo yesem no wasaya ni edi maya mo ready beyo amani wanyina wo be aswati we do nyamizatiano na yesenchenia no babeyo amani wanyina wo be aswati se we do nyamizatiano na ya nwanwajume.
Yansama makwaba ensama okobeti so misro sedem de ka no hwedwuma de abe like na wa sha mai kama pa mo kan ho abenia bibia mo hwe enso da wo bibia enso wase na sedem de ka no hwe mpunu 101 it obefia onyame nsatia hit maker enwum yi they be bedu in the next 1 week no nyame nani yentimi ntena nka be bedu no nyame nani mo nyame nsatia sedem de ka no nya bi hwe ya ko ne ko pebi nso he kama pa oba fi amsama bisbim
ya menu
yen so e additions me pese we entertain ye maya no mo hwe ye enawie no nse enwum so no Ghana ha no emu ode ne kakra na wasa ko ye tise ye sini pass mesi e tonwum se oba fi a oba so no oba fefe tise we die ye tise ze wo de nwum bi abasi a be ma bi obehu bi apel like what shall see first as challenges in India.
Say, easy. Go show me inbox. I was saying discreet about it as much as possible, but he is serious. He is serious.
Okay, he's serious. Once now, because I saw one worry. Na no say no. Then now, quiet. They stop you. Na umbe hunse.
Oh, then now, but they stop you. Me tell. Me ready, and I'm interested. So be anxious.
Mum de na hu se won ware se so de no be ha pa o
enya wo ho pa nya easy me na down enya easy
na Ghana na nkasa no Ghana in particular like a gospel musician ni bia akoye so from ado why ready say so from me ti bia na be roma na say baby be fa bia o de nyankopon nyum na ado
so from me no
minim gospel musician dia o mo me ka say onye so from me but obonyi mo no eba so a eba kama
pepe nti u bisa say me so me ka ko rush of mo an
me bisa say like what no o be pese nka o bia o so kuna bia obenya no be ye sofo ana say any other individual bia ba why ready
the first place me anka sana de me ye sofo dada
oh okay
you follow me tell me papa na apostle Ben me interpretation oh sorry so you can just imagine anointing will be serious.
Oh, okay.
Until what ministry nankasa wo ko ansa na we no enyom no so ebe kan.
Okay.
Ti me gina altar no so dada. Se so for bi ba. Na enyame pa fine. Ene de but me nya come to businessman who scout. No that be so put me nyom kakra.
I was I don't know could be couldn't idiot. Yana every pa. Now was it so be banana on man just was so from bar.
Oh, like just I meet me genuine case. Men pesofo and I'm a pesofo. Zabi, Obi baby or better do be free me more baby nese. What I say. That is not many panel when you're so no matter don't think time with their fine. So
maybe as a gospel musician, so don't think na free nyamia.
On free nyame. First of all, always I was so nam nyame kwaso. As I now don't cramp on say ye kasafa. Say or yes of one, I say or ye ordinary like a lay person.
Okay.
What I say, and I make a say you're so fun and a good woman now. Are you okay? So yeah, normal, believer, Christian. And you bro, are you serious with God? You say okay. Obi o kwa beti me ware no, onye sofo so echire no, oti me be sofo. Ana wo ba no, adom na ewo so no practice me so so. Medical ka say me sofo dada.
Okay. I see. Now, on say make us say more basi na like more buy a music industry mo say na. Omo hu be brain no basi a ana bibia e kama. Ram be hiti we na normal sisa. Who when you hear a gospel musician Moses here, I want to dim net to sing. Oh, this is here.
Ebi
so, a moment to Yamino, a foot to Bernard, a moment,
mo de ne nyen ne se se uprove ho se e friend ya frɛ wo fata na me share video of a gospel musician.
The friend is
Me money dey.
Oh.
And you already me mo.
Ade.
Na or engage in an act be. I was like, wow. To me, no, na nyamete. Because with gospel musician, you are more or less like a pastor. And you be able to tell you, I mean, such a message I was also be a preaching of pulpit, so now I'm going to talk fast.
I see.
What I say, a complete message, you know. Or family, now so on second verse. The Ojiwa and say, no, say, here the Maya more.
Yeah.
We didn't say it rather than some. It's a message now, what pulpit is in a madam and Santi. We know what to find. One soon we are suffering. We in Yamina and then we see for. It's a bit now, we better turn once and I'll be young, but I beer. Said the Edinim was ever bread or buffalo and I will run our small. Obia and Shannon, who here, no beer improving and said Friday a friend, Yanko Pong on your mistake.
Okay. Or cover TV, dear. Sammy bloggers now ready. Me no can say easy cry. Obey me, I promise you, I have for say. See the with me by make us say, BPM, come on, tidy show me. Him could in next 2 years, or bed for bed for your baby, and now, or says I won't tidy. For you.
Oh, lady, and to Sako.
Promise you.
And me promise him. Promise him. My mamma, what point on your men, afternoon, as she Ghana for any we are singing now.
Okay, I see. Very sweet for now. A better trust. Indeed, Cecilia, Dabe, and a video number because when you mention Satiana and Yumbia, a trendy pa, even me was some friends beer, me list and you send it and almost in a old jelly. Wow, good. Even more gospel musician goes in Bossman. Yeah, I mean, me also a good ones here, or a crime or so far, bear on Mati. Na make us say challenges in the more you see you almost this year now will be found not or no your collaboration. Now make us be a dear so the mom and the farmer. I can say gospel musician. Saying how Ben of this material Jaffa. It's your been work with collaboration, maybe I'm maybe a conspiracy say when you're free. No one yet. It's maybe I feel now over like Kwame or Professor Terry decided enough. Because in there but yes, will be near we are
we are new. And then far contract, some 76 or someone, some day. And who is said, and son of mobile start any transaction beyond what you say, as a cent, I say,
okay.
Montanas, we say the only manager Becassa, and say, yes, but you say, you what I say, and some and prevent some of these unnecessary.
O manager no go contract ko sida be ana munya sign sisia
yes you become so
oh me because me can e bia na obi so person ko bia wonya o be manage you so ti obeka sisia ne de
we no enye ahasem ni pare ready a omra e betas
and so kasa so dia o ka alfi very background no cry in charge say bia o do manager ni si wa o on background na ready
oh my goodness
mon sign contract bia so far
yes
no manager mon sign ko si da ben e be say me ho because na upcoming artist no mo ba no o hiti we ya no yi manager na ma
me yi manager bia ma sanse se mo enu nyina na ya na ko common some ntino o de ya
e ma onyini mansa na ya kan ko ya be za kan
me ne ma adana oh ready me ne ma
Awusia okowe TV no ni guzo ahwe ne ono obafia gospel musician onyame nsatia hit maker me shiro se dem di ka kan onyanya anyum ne bi ntie ya kone ko pebi nso he kama pa ye di dwumadi ne nyina bi si na obekire ana obemia hu da kra video no obebo no modern no di video na ba na o di motivational message kakra ba na to wo de ne followers be bia ye betima follow ni nyina nso aba be pese nyam nyum ni bia ibehu bi ana ibehu no obekire na kama pa na edwuma ko nan na ebo yeshida mo me de dwumadi nso abrɛ okoba empower company limited pipek ego for singers na so bela kwa enso eke ho bi enso papa ni ko pe bi enso no mpa na ye di dwuma de nyina esi episode mo omo ba
gospel musicians afutu me wo mo nyina na say one enye nyame epe atiase nyame na wa from no mo free ni mo koso ha enti the leadings of the Holy Spirit ebio ewo m say edin eso no yakopon di onim ne de ndi sa wo yire wo so be bo abrabo ten ni a ono so be bie kwan ama ni enye man enye fenye koje na yam save gospel music no enni
okay
yeah
wow fantastic na jipa
na fe yenye susu na yenye no enchire se ye twen owura bi mo bebu yaten ade na ye de ma ye no bebu mo aten
okay answer na de social media handles ne be hu no betu jam like da ben ye hwe no kusi onya me satia ne video
ni satia ne de ye say by next month ni me aga me twen
by next month so mo gusa mo ya ho okay I see na hefa na ebe hu be fia ye panyum ni bi ana I perceive follow we bi na obi wo obi be di dwumadi bi to pese o bass ye enso ebe tonyoma na bi sa hefa ni follow I DK number kra de e screen as that anti business say wo hwe na say open manager na nkasa number eno e screen as that ene go ya twero manager number no ntimi show so obetime yi na opese ono ne di nkika ho a wa frɛ no na wa frɛ no enso no hefa ni be on social media handles
yeah me be Facebook Obafia OBAAEFIA
okay
and I know page no ye Obafia Ministries
okay
and IG no ye Obafia _music
okay na YouTube sir
YouTube ye Obafia
is a YouTube so betime Obafia OBAA no atintem EFIA
yeah
and so me so wo bi na se obechia no
me den chia kase ema madofu nyina me Facebook makeover Michia Ledian Michia Edike meeting Adam Altihano Michia my sisters Mr. Dr. and Mrs. Ofomi Michia Mr. Yao Amwako Michia Mr. Boche Michia Obibia
okay yes onye twen nya do a ochia obibia mo he comment mi so yenso ye che obia mi dwumade ne nyina enso esia Obafia hwe ni mo se nyampa video no ba bontia be sa no de mpo ha ni busia hwe ni mo kosida Obafia enso de video no ba wonya me nsatia nwom ne de se dem de ka ken no umpe bi entia na unti wonya bi wo phone so a me so ye ntem na ensa ye ntem ko ne ko twena so nya bi wo phone so na so fetie ne oba na ebo wo me phone so a ringtone pa ni easy enyum no shinkra yi pa me so wo so ye ne ko pe bi kama pa enso ejuma ko na ne umso masine pipeg go for singers Okoba Empower Company Limited ene bela kwa so ne mtimbo ma chido me so ye ejuma ko bi na also pese bo ejuma di ho da bi ma wa fa be so me be ya ma nso wo no kama pa me din e de kwa no pia o kire we can afre me kwa pia ampa yeshia Saturday for entertainment via so na yemfa ya kam ni na so emfa na kama pa makra my production team no enso tight fix Mr. Engineer yes abu one on what if you didn't chinchim ni from an GM yes and also I can be on na sazuna na o wa hene so better time no better na kunya ma mfa ni agro and so ya de wa pa mat na secretary one and so I can be ni mutimi eba ma chido man bi jumadi and so be so kama pa se one team can be my crowd the act of being a good guest is you know how to say goodbye bye bye
Kura mani ko wie o bone kura ne rade be ya hon section amani wenyi na hunu aso tesa we do nyame satiano na ya nwanwa jumei o baba yo amani wenyi na hunu aso tesa we do nyame satiano na ya nwanwa jumei o nyame crazy, now Yamia, yeah, what don't. Oh, Babayo, I'm anyone you know, as what they say. Where do Yamazatiano? Now, young one, human. Emre, one church that was stressful for rain in a Sheratin. Susudin, come on, now, prepare, say, Radin, Sam. Of family, now, so I say, now, your chihuahua, Sam, no, I say, any year, the Maya Mo. I ready, Bayo. I'm anyone you know will be a swati. Where do Yamazatiano? Naya Senchania. No, Babayo. I'm anyone you know will be a swati. Where do Yamazatiano? Naya one where you me. Everyone touch that was just so far in a Sheradi Muay. Susudin come on. Now, Bribin Seradin Sem. Of family. No, or Sian, the Maya Mo. Everybody, Bayo. I'm anyone you know will be a swati. Where do Yamazatiano? I am one word you may. No, Babayo. I'm anyone you know who swati. Where do Yamazatiano? I am one word you may. Ponyaminimu. Oh, Debia. Akaka Krebi. No,